wants out.
I know they won't get in trouble. I'd rather stand there and catch us and let Bubba pet it.
We'll get in trouble.
Well, it says don't pick them up.
Looky here. I see the big one right here. Papa, we're going this way. Okay, well, stick your head in there. Oh, there's a peacock.
I'm right by you.
Look at it. Taking my watch with me. That and turned its head and looked at it. Open its eyes and look.
Come over here, See them wolves?
Malachi, don't climb on that.
I like to.
But you're not supposed to.
Boy.
Wow.
The white doggy.
The white doggy? The white doggy that could rip your throat out?
Can you see me? Can you help me?
They had the bear out, I thought, at one time.
They did last time we came.
You see it, Malachi?
Red one, that looks like a red one, don't it?
That one looks smaller.
Maybe a coyote.
And the green button.
Hey.
I think a red wolf or a coyote.